Really cool thing. On Fridays, I do trade reviews. That's what today is, Friday. Therefore, I chose a trade review from out there on the real life trading community to talk about, discuss, analyze, break down, and segment about what we could have done good, better, great, bad, and all in between. Hope you enjoy this trade review.
Traders from around the world, this is your Friday trade review, and I'm looking at a trade brought to you by my boy, Ruben, who lives over there in the San Diego area. And let me go find Ruben. There he is. So Ruben, check this out. 4 trades this week, all green. Look at my boy, Ruben Danley, getting it. So what I'm going to do is walk through this TWLO trade, and TWLO has been pretty much on fire recently. So this is Ruben's setup, and I must say I do like it a lot. It's a really, really well-placed trade. His entry was a blind limit buy off of the high of the previous day. Stop loss was below pre-market, right? So you can kind of see it's fully below all the pre-market levels. And then it just bounced into previous high of the day. So this is the previous pre-market high, some previous pre-market resistance. And that was a trade that I'm 96% sure he just set up before market open and just kind of let it ride. Now, believe it or not, here's the actual analysis that I had on TWLO before the market even opened. TWLO, TWLO, gapping up huge again. Strong bullish trend. Buy the dip. TWLO, unstoppable. So you're getting a big pop after hours, and I wouldn't short it, is the answer to that question. Would not short TWLO. Stay long. It's gapping out of a consolidation. Long and strong. Right, so with that analysis, if we kind of come back over here to TWLO, TWLO has been in an absolute just straight up bull trend. And you had a really, really good consolidation here for, I would say, about the past week and a half. So this consolidation is pretty, right? That is the retest of this retest gap. You have this white candle gapping up, gap action, really nice gap, good retest for a week and a half, and then we just gapped above all of those pivots. All of those highs. The trend is already bullish, so you have to know your direction. And then all Ruben did was simply buy the limit off of the previous highs of the days. Now, could he have held longer? And the answer is, of course. We can always hold longer. We're never going to get out the exact high. And he left a little bit of money on the table. But regardless, he followed his plan, and he set up a limit buy off of the previous high of the day, right here, and he set a stop below some recent lows and some pre-market levels. Did he know that it was going to bounce? Absolutely not. Did he know the trade was going to work? Absolutely not. Was he comfortable with his risk? Yes, he was. Did he get the direction correct? Yes, he did. Did he understand that it was going to be a retest since it is a retest gap, white candle gapping up? Absolutely. Ruben, that's an A+ trade, man. Beautiful, well done. It was almost too easy for you, and I'm sure you smiled about it because that was tremendously terrific. And that, my friends, is one of the powers and the benefits of being there in the morning day trading room. We had our boy, Greg Gilbert, absolutely smashing it today. We do have the schedule on the website, live trading. You can scroll down here and see who's going to be on the microphone. Markets are closed. The U.S. markets are closed on Monday. Greg Gilbert's going to be back at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern on the 26th, which is Tuesday. Then we're going to have David Wygant, then Johnny Guarco, and then Tony is going to be wrapping up the May Moderator Challenge, which I must say has been an absolute delight. Also, I have this day trade set up right now in Raytheon that is has not triggered yet, so we'll see if it actually triggers. Watching it, looks like a potential double bottom. I lost one full R on it this morning. As you guys can all see, very, very nice high wave candle. Entry there, stop there. I don't just make up that trade. I do the trade all the time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It worked perfectly yesterday, and it did not work at all today on Raytheon. But I'm going to try to get that R back. If this trade works, that'll be a 1.2 R win. And Virgin Galactic, I'm also keeping a little bit of an eye on Virgin Galactic for a late afternoon run, but we will see. And there's RTX, just got filled. So I'm going to keep a very, very close eye on that one. All right, team, boys and girls, friends and family, thanks for tuning in. You guys rock. Have a good weekend. I'll see you on Wednesday. Love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.
Okay, that was your Friday trade review. Thank you for watching. You are a majestically marvelous human being. I'll see you later. Bye.